Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make delicious roasted chicken, potatoes and vegetable. Continue watching to find out how I make this delicious recipe. This recipe, I've already washed the chicken, washed the vegetables and peeled the potatoes. I've also cut all the vegetables into my desired shapes. Show you how I make the marinade sauce. I'll be adding onion, garlic, ginger and scotch bonnet into the blender. I will crush in 1 stock cube. I'll also add salt. Add thyme. I will add a tablespoon of white pepper powder. I will also add black pepper powder. Feel free to use any spice of your choice. Add some oil. Then I will cover the blender and blend. When I'm done blending, I will set aside. Into a bowl, I'll be adding the washed chicken. Season the chicken with salt. I will add some of the blended ingredients. Mix to combine. When I'm done mixing all the ingredients into the chicken, I will cover and allow to marinate for about 1 hour. I will add the sliced vegetables into the oven tray. Marinating, I will also add the blended mixture on the potato. The leftover blended ingredients, I will add it on the sliced vegetables, then stir to combine. I will remove some of the sliced vegetables because I'll be using 2 oven trays. I will add some of the potatoes. I will place the chicken on top of the potatoes. This will help to add extra flavor to the potatoes and the sliced vegetables. I will repeat the same process until I've placed all the potatoes and the chicken on the oven tray. At this stage, make sure that you have preheated the oven. I will add them into the preheated oven and allow to roast. I like to flip the chicken together so that it will grate both sides. I will also add some suya spice. This is optional, but it gives this chicken a special taste. You can try it. Finally, The roasted chicken, potatoes and vegetable is ready. It is so tasty and very delicious. I hope you try this recipe. Thank you all for watching.